Hello everyone, I'm Arslan, and this is Trading Robots. This video is about a new exchange for the Star and Galaxy bots, called CoinCatch. It's a good exchange with no issues in Iran, offering great service and support. That's why we added it to our supported exchanges. In this video, we'll work on the phone. Let's create a CoinCatch account together. We'll create a CoinCatch account and connect it via API. Let's get started. I won't take up more of your time. They provide excellent service and support. We'll work together on the phone, so you can see my screen. Let's create a CoinCatch account. We'll connect it via the API. It's simple and easy. The app is available, but let's focus on the phone. Let's create a CoinCatch account together. I'll use my phone and laptop, but most of you probably use phones. We'll create an account and connect it via API. It's simple, and you can use this exchange too. Let's start. I won't take much time. Use the browser for registration. Search it because the app doesn't support API. We'll check CoinCatch together. The browser is better for API. Search CoinCatch on Google. It usually appears as a top ad. Scroll to find coincatch.com and enter. It has an app, but it's for me. Use the browser version for registration. Searching your browser. The app version often lacks API support. Check out CoinCatch. The browser version is better for connecting to the API. Search CoinCatch on Google. It appears as a top sponsored ad. Scroll to coincatch.com and enter. Use a VPN with Middle East or Asia servers. They block Europe and US access. A Dubai VPN works well. Enter the site, click sign up, and enter your email. You better have a VPN. Use a VPN from the Middle East or Asia to access the site, as Europe and US are often blocked. A Dubai VPN works well. Once on the site, click the sign up button at the top and enter your email, like mymail@gmail.com. To create a new account, set a password using a password manager. Ensure it's 8 to 32 characters, with numbers in both uppercase and lowercase letters. Enter your referral code using correct case, like H48. I just want to create a new account, and I'm entering it right here now. I'm currently here to serve you with the process of signing up for a new account on gmail.com. Yes, it prompts you to set a password. I usually use these password management systems to choose a secure password. Just make sure it's between 8 to 32 characters, includes at least one number, and has both uppercase and lowercase letters. There's also a section for a referral code. What referral code should you enter? Just type in your referral code and make sure to use both uppercase and lowercase letters correctly, like H40A. Use this referral code. It speeds up transactions and prioritizes your trades. It also offers fee discounts. Beginners should watch for verification steps. If you have an account, skip to the API section. Check your email for a confirmation code. Verification is coming. See what this is like. This video is really for beginners, especially for those who haven't created an account yet. If you've already made an account, don't waste your time. Just skip ahead to the API section. But for now, let's move forward together. An email will be sent to the address you provided. Let me check and see what email we received. You should get a confirmation code, usually. If you didn't receive the email, in your inbox, check your spam folder. It usually ends up there. For me, it came in the spam folder. I went to the spam folder, and there it was, the confirmation code. We confirmed our registration, just like that, in under a minute while I was recording the video. Alright, now that your registration is done, let's move on to the API creation step. Before that, we'll enter the Telegram bot. Whether it's Galaxy or Star, it doesn't matter, both are fine. In the connections section, go to the settings and change the exchange. You'll see that besides Bitunix and CoinCatch has been added. When you click on CoinCatch, it will ask you for the API key. Now, I want to connect it to my CoinCatch account. So let's do that together. crooked ass on this part of the dummy. You just click here, and you'll see the API management option. Let's go ahead and create an API together. Click on Create New API. It will tell you that for security settings, you need to go and enable your Google two-factor authentication. This is a common requirement across all exchanges, and it's great that they're so focused on security. I'm clicking the link, and it says to either copy the code or scan it. I'm going to turn this off for a moment and go to my Authenticator app to continue the steps for you. Before that, let me copy the code. Alright, I've copied it. Now you can install the Authenticator app if you don't have it already. Just search for Google Authenticator. So something like this will pop up for you. Right now, I'm entering the name CoinCatch in my Authenticator app, along with my email. It's not mandatory to remember anything else. Just make sure to enter the key they provided. This is time-based, so it's all good. You'll see CoinCatch appear here. We enter the code here, 97933979933, and hit submit. It prompts another email. Their security system is strong. Next, enter 111.97. Confirmed. Let's create the API. If done, no repeat needed. Clicking on this little person icon again to API management and then create new API. Here, we can write a description. For example, we can write catch 111.97. It's confirmed. Let's create the API. Click the person icon, go to API management, and create a new API. Write catch as a description. Set a password for the bot. It's not your CoinCatch password. It's specific for this API. Use 123456780. Skip read only. Click trade for bot trading. Don't check transfer. The bot only trades. A code will be emailed. Click send to receive it. It says to set a freeze password, and this is really important. So make sure to remember it. You'll need to enter this in the bot as well. This freeze password is not your CoinCatch password. It's specifically for this API. Set a password that you can remember and jot it down somewhere. I'm going to keep it simple. Set a password from 1 to 8. Click trade. Don't check transfer. The bot only trades. Select these options. A code will be emailed. Click send to receive it. The authenticator code is 38,366. Let's proceed to the bot. Enter CoinCatch. It asks for the API key, also known as the access key. Copy it, then paste it. Now, it asks for the API secret. Click to get it. We're having a bit of trouble here, Mr. CoinCatch, because we're giving him so many coins and emails. Here's our code. The authenticator code is 38,366. If it hasn't expired, it should be good. Yes, it hasn't expired, and it came through. Now let's hold on and go into the bot. We've entered the bot and selected CoinCatch. It asks for the API key, which is also known as the access key. Some exchanges call it the API key, others the access key. Sorry about the sunlight. Click here to copy it, then paste it. Now it asks for the API secret. Click again to get it. Enter the password we set earlier. If correct, it connects and shows your account balance. Why 0? We just created the account. To transfer money, hit confirm. Go to the person icon, click assets, and see your balance. You can deposit funds. Which network? Usually Tether. It asks for the password. Enter the API password. Sure, we just type in the one we set earlier. If your information is correct, it will connect. Once the connection is securely established, you'll see your account balance. Why is it showing 0? Because we just created the account. How can we transfer money? We don't need to worry about that. Just hit confirm. Then you go into this little person icon and click on the assets section. Click the eye icon to see your balance. Deposit funds, usually via Tether. Choose your network, TRC, ERC, BSC, or BNB, which has low fees. I'll switch to my laptop to demonstrate. The laptop interface is easier than using a phone. You also choose your network, like TRC, ERC, BSC, or BNB. Right now, I think BNB has the lowest fees. You can transfer money easily. I've given previous tutorials on this. I'm going to switch to my laptop. I made a new CoinCatch account, and I'm going to connect it to that account where I have some funds. Using a laptop is generally easier. A laptop makes it much easier. We'll bring up Galaxy. And now you can see my Telegram on your screen. I have a small balance for testing. Let's see how it goes. Using the system is absolutely going to be much easier for you. Let me just take a little bit of a moment to open my Telegram right now. We'll bring up Galaxy. And then let's see what happens. And we can move on right away. You can see my Telegram on your laptop with the CoinCatch account. It has $23 in the futures account. Transfer from spot to futures. Click 3 dots. Transfer from spot to CoinM, not USDTM. Transfer to USDT margin. Money is in my account. Yeah, it has $23 in the futures account, not the spot account. We need to transfer from spot to futures. Click the 3 dots and transfer from spot to CoinM, not USDTM. I'll send the email. Alright, bye. We're going to minimize this. One important point is that after we transfer the money to your spot account, we need to move it to futures. So you click on those 3 dots and transfer from the spot account to CoinM, not to USDTM. You transfer to USDT margin, and it will show you. Now I've done that, and the money is in my account. I'm just going to create a new API here with a laptop system. And I'll show you how it works. I'm going to create a new API. I'll note it down as CoinCatch. For the password, I'll set it as 123456778. You should set a proper password for this. I'm just using this for testing. I'll definitely hit the button to send the email. Let's go see what email they sent me. Alright, bye. CoinCatch. Hold on just a second. I'm going to pause this. And I'll be right back with you in just a moment. Alright, let's see what email they send us. I think it went to the spam folder again. Yeah, CoinCatch. Just a bit longer. Oh, why didn't you do anything? You didn't send an email. If you haven't received it, please check your spam. We checked our spam too. Mr. Naruto was there. Something strange. Please check email correctly spam. Give a few minutes. It might have a delay, so we'll probably see. If it has a delay, and the problem will be fixed. I'm checking the wrong email, and I apologize for that. I have several emails. And the poor guy sent the code, 612309. This is our authenticator code, and I'll find it for you right now. I'm really sorry. I got a bit mixed up in this situation, especially since I've created so many emails for different tutorials. I sincerely apologize for the confusion. CoinCatch, we have 254,737. Next, this is the API. Now, we're going into the Galaxy bot. This is the same one we connected to the phone because the telegrams are synced both ways. Now, I'm going to connect a new API. I'm changing the API, and CoinCatch says to give the API key. I say, sure. It asks for the API secret, and I say, okay. Then it asks for the password. That's it. Our password is set. Yes, the wallet balance is $23. Just like that, you can connect your CoinCatch account to your Star and Galaxy accounts without any issues for now. It says to give the API secret, and I say sure. Then it asks for the password. That's it. Our wallet balance is $23. Just like that, you can connect your CoinCatch account to your Star and Galaxy accounts without any issues for now.